Is alive during pandemic. Okay, gonna do something to keep you occupied. Can't travel, so it's cooking time once again. Just came from the outside, so I had my 5 mile walk and my 6 mile mountain bike. It was peeping nice weather today. It feels like summer. It's a good introduction to this summer. So one more week and the summer is here. I'm supposed to fly to Niue, Timor-Leste in the Philippines, but it looks like it's not happening. I'm playing by ear. It's cooking time. I'm here home. I'm cooking the zucchini. The organic zucchini from my mom's garden, and I have it here, and I will be cooking it with Parmesan cheese, sauteing it with onions. I am excited how will it come out. So cooking time. Alright, so here are the ingredients. Of course, you need a fresh zucchini. Gotta have onion finely chopped. You need some oil in sauteing, of course, so I'm using fat-free oil spray for the non-stick. Of course, the Parmesan cheese. Some garlic flavorings. I'm using a garlic powder. I use a real garlic, but I'm out of it, so better use the garlic powder. It will do the work. Here's the cooking process. First, saute the onion, the finely chopped onion. Add some garlic or garlic powder in this case. Then, the main veggies, the spiced organic zucchini. Cook it together with the onion and the garlic for about a minute or two or more, depending on the appearance. It should be a bit brownish. Then add the Parmesan. Finally, cook all the ingredients all together. Leave them on the pan. Leave it cooking for about a minute or two. Low heat or low fire. And then you're done. Ready for tasting. Alright, my friends. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something. Even a bit. I did. Once again, traveling is not arriving to a new destination. It is a looking at the world in a different perspective. Give that smile and the world will smile at you. Cheers. Be safe. Bye.